What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today I'm going to show you how to light the wood-fired pizza oven correctly and to maintain heat. Stay tuned. Right, let's get to it straight away. As you can see here, I've put these logs. I like to use half logs unless they're small like this. I've put them crisscross. I've got another tool here. So I just move it right to the middle. I find that's the easiest way. I've got a fire stick. There you go. It's very versatile. It's very cost effective. Very important to remember, you don't want to light or use any fire lighter inside this pizza oven. That's not organic. Newspaper, that's fine, but these little cubes with the fuel inside or any lighter fluid, that's a no-go. You will get the smell on your pizza, so you don't want that. Leave it for the first 10 minutes until I see, if I switch the stick off, that the fire's still going. As you can see, what I explained earlier, I'm closing the valve of the gas lighter and it's self-sustainable. Now I remove this fire stick. We're going to make a fire in the middle for most part of this whole exercise. Then we'll move it to the side. Few things to remember. What we do in this wood-fired pizza oven is that this time we will use that side, the left side, and next time the right side, just to give your oven chance to heat everywhere the same. Just a little bit of caring and looking after your pizza oven. At the end, if you've got the facility to do so, you could remove all your coals and put it into a safe steel bin. Otherwise, you just leave it inside. Don't use water while your pizza oven is warm to try and cool it down. Your pizza oven will most definitely crack. We want this whole pile to break down and then add some more wood, make fire right in the middle to get that floor nice and warm. Our pile has dropped, so what you do now, we just add some wood. And you can be a little bit vigorous with it. We want to make a big fire in the middle to make sure that this floor is heated up properly. As you can see, we've got a big ass fire in the middle, which is awesome. It's been about an hour, I would say. So we want to make our pizza on the left, as we had the fire on the left last time. So let me show you what we do. Then also a good idea to get an infrared thermometer. So you'll see at the moment we are about 320 on the floor, Fahrenheit 614, which is a very nice temperature, slightly warm. So the floor at the moment, you can see ash all over it. We use a brush just to move the ash aside, and then you can buy a mop. We call it a mop. Any rag device that you add to your brush that you can dampen, not soaking wet, just dampen it with water, and then you could wipe the surface where your pizza's going to lay. That's what we do, unless you want your first pizza to be a slight disaster and thereafter it'll be good. But that's what we do. I highly suggest you do the same. And there you can see we've got a fire on the side. We are really building up the temperature, and that's what you want. You want the fire licking up to the roof. And once it licks onto the roof there, that's exactly what you're going to need to do the perfect pizza. Guys, if you like what we've done here, like, share, subscribe, enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Comment below, let us know, maybe there's something we can do in the pizza oven for you. See you next time. Cheers.